Whatever the first image. Okay.
All right. Shall we?
Is it going?
Yeah, it's going.
Oh,
We're live. All right, so this is lesson 3 for our group. So we're gonna talk about any questions we have.
Sweet.
So, all I did was click on the mystery investment opportunity, hold up that link with the Instagram. I just put in information.
It's pretty similar.
Cooler.
Compare the results you obtained with the others in your group. Describe the differences and similarities. Well, I think they're pretty similar that they show.
How many boxes did you decide to use, like intervals?
I changed mine up. I think I used more than him on a couple of them, like on E.
So yeah, I wondered at what point does it get like
To where it's not as useful.
to it's not as useful, yeah.
Yeah, I don't know.
I think if you have too few, then
You can't read it as well.
yeah. When there was too few, there was like a huge section right at 0, and I noticed it was like, well, you can't really tell if it's above or below 0. So
Yeah, like this one right here.
yeah.
So we're saving for retirement, which is 5 companies with most attractive
Also
because
thinking this council at least really this will probably be something like low. This one.
like D,
I think F just
that would be a bad.
that makes sense.
Kind of.
So it's basically it says at the end of the year there was 6 people that had a 10-point increase. That makes sense.
Yeah.
Or within that amount.
So this one has the least amount, 0 or under, but it also has the least amount, like really high.
So there's like, if you count it, you can just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There was 10 people, or 10 times at the end of the year that company had a negative stock.
Oh, okay.
And so they had a lot, like consistently a little bit, but like nothing
Huge.
nothing drastic. Like this one is kind of good, but see, they had a lot of little setbacks, but they also had this nice little
Maybe I'm changing to B.
higher risk, higher reward.
That's what I'm saying, bro. Need to get to Jamaica somehow. Create a table to compute the standard deviation by hand using the data severe bird flu data available on the wiki page. So I first found, as you can see, the mean, and then subtracted it to get the variation, and then just squared it standard deviation, which it looks like you did too.
Yeah.
Don't you take the mean of all the get the standard deviation of the whole thing?
Oh, you're right. I did do it wrong. Thanks for pointing that out on TV.
That's okay. Yeah, but at least we know how to do it. I don't know, I thought it was kind of cool. The histogram is kind of cool.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's a good way to measure the risk.
Any more questions before we meet on Monday?
I think that's about it.
See you later, bro.
Bye.